Yo, what is up, guys? KGB here, and we are out here working on the Project Rx-8 again. We are out here, and I think in today's video we might get the motor out, but you'll have to see later in. I hope we do. But we are going to start working on that side of the project, so let's get started. I said we were going to get started into this project, but if you look at this thing, she's so filthy and dirty when she just gets to sit outside. So the first thing we're actually going to do is we're going to clean her up. So as you guys can see now, we've got the car all cleaned up. She's all ready to be worked on. I know I didn't clean it in the wheels or anything, but we're gonna be taking those off soon, so I will be deep cleaning them. And yeah, let's get started today. As you can see, we are sitting here inside the car now. One of our packages for the car has just shown up, and let's show you what that guy is. As you guys can see here, if we open this up, we got our brand new NRG shift knob. So we are walking into the shop now. Let's see, we need to find our Allens. Pretty sure. Nope, wrong drawer. I always say there. Your Allen keys. And now we'll head back over to the car. Now that we're back over here at the car, we're going to hop inside and we are going to start tearing apart our old shift knob. Out with the old one. Got our brand new Energy Innovation shift knob. Got our baggie here. Get this open. Pull all these out. And then, so we just gotta figure out which one will go on here. And it looks like this one is the right side. I'm going to take our brand new shift knob. We slide this on here. Set these over here. And got our brand new shift knob in here. There's gear, some gear. There you are. So as you guys can see, we did end up getting all 4 of the wheels off of the car. They actually don't have bad looking suspension. It just looks like it needs a little bit of a clean up on all of them. It's about the only thing I see wrong. I do see that we might need some new rotors for them. They do look like they got a little bit of rust on them. This one don't look too bad. We're going to take these out front. We're going to give them a little bit of clean. So we do got all 4 of the wheels out front now, and we're gonna start cleaning them. So let's get right into it.
I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground, running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away.
So we've got all 4 of the wheels cleaned off now. They're looking way better than they did before. Let's get them inside. So we got all the wheels put inside now. We have them just sitting inside the top of the pool table for now. I will eventually move them, but we can just look at the damage. It looks like this one was gouged right here and scratched. I mean, they're not bad looking wheels. I'll probably ending up using them for probably drift spares, and I will end up getting some more wheels, but for like starter wheels, I'll probably end up using these just for now until I end up getting some more. So I know I said at the beginning of the video that we were going to focus on getting the engine on the car today, but we did end up taking a different path. We cleaned the car off, we put our new shift knob on, and then we got our wheels back inside the house now. They're officially off the car. We can start working on the suspension side of things now, and I think we just got to take the radiator out and a couple of hoses, and then we will drop the engine. So we'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys.